In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for certification exam topics fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you discover trending topics and insights related to various certifications, enabling you to align your focus on what's most relevant in your field. First, you'll want to visit Google Trends. Open your web browser and type Google Trends into the search bar, and then hit Enter. The first link you find should direct you to Google's Trends page. Once there, you'll notice a variety of features and datasets that are available for exploration. Upon accessing the home page, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the Explore option. This feature allows you to dive deeper into specific topics that interest you. In this case, that will be certification exams. In the search bar, type the name of the certification you want to research. Feel free to enter examples like AWS Certified Solutions Architect, PMP certification, or CompTIA Security Plus. Once you've entered the certification name, press Enter to generate the trend graph for that topic. This visual representation will give you an immediate sense of how the popularity of this certification has evolved over time. It's a great way to understand the current interest level in the certification you are considering. Next, for more tailored insights, you can adjust the location and time range. Decide whether you want to view interest worldwide or zoom into a specific country and set a time frame that suits your needs. For instance, selecting the past 12 months can show you current trends, while choosing past 5 years can help assess long-term growth or decline. To further enrich your analysis, examine the Interest by Region section. This part highlights where in the world the demand for this certification is highest. Such insights can be especially useful if you're targeting specific geographical areas or languages. Additionally, as you scroll further, you'll encounter sections for related topics and related queries. These sections display what else people are searching for when it comes to certification exams, helping you discover new or emerging certifications that might be gaining traction. If you find yourself curious about how multiple certifications stack up, you can click Plus Compare and add other certifications to your comparison list. This feature allows you to see which certifications are more popular concurrently, hence guiding your decision on which certification might provide the most value. Lastly, take some time to analyze all the information gathered in Google Trends. By understanding these patterns and trends, you'll be better equipped to prioritize your learning and preparation for the most in-demand certifications. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made using Google Trends a simple and insightful experience for your certification exam preparation.